We have some European cheeses, specifically from France, to celebrate a French tradition known as an Apéro. First up is Brie, soft ripened, bloomy rinded cheese.
We're pairing our Brie with a plum port compote.
So this is a cremant. What I love about sparkling wine with Brie is that every creamy bite, those bubbles just go in and cleanse the palate.
Aged Chèvre is next. We have a lovely cream line here and a great goaty citrus tang.
The honey, the lemon zest, the cherries come together really nicely for a complimentary bite.
Next up is Mimolette, notes of butterscotch.
I have a curveball, dark chocolate with the Mimolette.
That's not a curveball, that's a home run.
Lastly, we have Bleu d'Auvergne PDO. It's robust in scent, but it has a mild flavor.
We got a pear base, our blue, a smidge of quince jam, and a sprinkle of black pepper.
Cheers.